Good morning, I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon bringing you the latest tropical weather outlook update, and this is for the 20th of November 2023. And there's still a little bit of life left in the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season, because right now we are looking at two areas of disturbed weather. The first one that we will bring our attention to is this one that is located in the southern Caribbean Sea, which is in the waters just north of Colombia. This currently has just about a 10% chance or low chance of developing into a tropical cyclone at this point in time. Over the next 7 days, the chances of development will remain at just about 10%, or we're still looking at a low chance of development. The reason for this is because right now there's still a lot of dry air that encircles this particular area of disturbed weather, and so the conditions are really not conducive for it to develop into anything further. Also, we're looking at an area of disturbed weather which is associated with a low pressure embedded in this frontal trough that we're looking at here. Right now we're looking at a 0% chance of development. However, over the next several days this could increase to 30%, or we're looking at a low chance of development. But again, we are really not seeing these two systems developing into a tropical cyclone. But of course, we're still in the Atlantic hurricane season, and so it's still something that we'll need to watch over the next several days. Across the northeastern Caribbean, we're really not seeing a whole lot that is happening right now for the islands in terms of showers. There's still this dry air that is sitting over the area. We also have the Saharan dust that is in the region as well, and these conditions are really restricting shower activity across the region. However, there's a frontal trough that we're looking at here, and a little bit of that moisture could move into the British Virgin Islands and as far east as Anguilla later this afternoon going into the evening. So around that time we are looking at an increased chance of shower activity across these islands. But for the rest of the Leeward Islands, Antigua, Barbuda, St. Kitts, Nevis, we are looking at pretty much dry air that will continue to sit over the area over the next 24 hours, and so shower activity will remain limited across those islands. So this is what we're looking at for the rest of the day across the region. Well, partly sunny skies will prevail. Hazy conditions are expected as well across Antigua and Barbuda, with the temperature high getting up to about 31 degrees Celsius or 88 degrees Fahrenheit. As for Montserrat and St. Kitts Nevis, we're looking at partly sunny skies as well. Hazy conditions will remain, with Montserrat high getting up to about 29 degrees Celsius or 84 degrees Fahrenheit, and St. Kitts Nevis high getting up to about 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. As for Anguilla and the British Virgin Islands, again later this afternoon going into the evening, we do expect some moisture to move into the area, so we are going in for cloudy skies during the afternoon into the evening hours, with a moderate chance or a 60% chance of showers across those islands. But there will be some haze around as well due to the Saharan dust that will be present. The Anguilla high will get up to about 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and as for the British Virgin Islands, again we're looking at a high of 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that's it for the latest tropical weather outlook update. I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon. Do continue to have a pleasant day.